The Yugal Kishore Mirror Temple was established in the 15th century by Hari Ram Vyas from Madhya Pradesh. He performed austerities in Kishori Kunj next to Seva Kunj and then discovered the deities there. It is number 69 on our map. When one comes out of the back gates of the Ranganath temple, one turns left, and this temple is about 50 meters away on the right. One comes in off the street and turns to the right, and then has darshan of the main deities. They're very beautiful and are worshipped very nicely by Ladli Goswami, who is a 27th generation descendant of Hari Ram Vyas. In front of the altar is a deity of baby Krishna in a swing, and devotees can swing him to their heart's content. In 1940, the then King of Madhya Pradesh brought mirrors and glass from Belgium and had them installed on the walls and ceilings of the temple, and therefore it is now well known as the KanchkaMandir, or the Mirror Temple. Behind the temple is the Radha Naam Bank, where devotees are invited to write the name of Srimati Radharani as many times as they can.